Some manager level kind of person to stop me, say there's a top secret in this hotel.
Unbox Hotel Voco, reading in the UK. How about the corner suite room? Enjoy the English breakfast buffet. Where is the top secret?
Hi, I'm Tree Papa, a travel enthusiast and proud father of 3. Discover family-friendly spots and tips of making the most of your travels. Join me, let's explore together.
Welcome to Reading in the UK. It's a beautiful town with the famous Reading University and a great shopping avenue near the train station. Today, I will stay at Hotel Voco Reading. As always, before I unbox all the details, I will let you know how I got to the UK. Previously, I visited Oman Air's flagship First Class lounge in Muscat Airport, enjoyed the extraordinary services and outstanding liquor and champagne collections on board their 787 Dreamliner First Class mini suite. Don't miss their caviar services in the air. For the full report, check the link below. Welcome to Voco Reading. Since I arrived around noon, the room is not ready yet, so I decided to walk around. The first impression. It's quite fair to the 4-star vibe without overly decorating. How about the surrounding area? It's in the same building as Select Car Leasing Stadium, which facilitates Reading Football Club. Following this road on foot takes around 15 minutes to the retailers called Reading Gate. By car, maybe only 3 minutes. There are some fast food restaurants for budget options. I recommend coming to the hotel by car, otherwise there is nearly no easy public transportation from the Reading Center. However, I had enough KFCs in my home country Taiwan, so let's try the hotel food. Here is the bar area of the hotel. It looks quite spacious, with numbers of seating for any busy night. However, while I was filming, I was stopped by a manager-like staff member in a suit. Interestingly, he said there's a top secret here. I can't film in the hotel, so the rest of the video is kind of mission impossible, as he is not so welcoming of my visit. But how is it possible that people can't take pictures in the hotel's public places? Anyway, I had Caesar salad and French fries for lunch. Not bad, but a bit pricey considering Voco is in the premium 4-star category of IHG hotels. Now the check-in process is done. Let's head to my room today. Before showing you the suite room tour,
I hope you've been inspired by my hard-working videos. Your like and subscribe to encourage me to provide more quality contents in the future. Alright, let's enter our room. 219. Oh, today is another very lucky day. I got upgraded to the 1-bedroom suite. So first let's take a look. This is the living room area. Got a sofa and working desk right here. And there is the bedroom that we will take a look. This is a welcome kind of a cookie. Quite interesting. And let's apply the water with a glass bottle. And there's also the mini bar. Nothing there. And this got some water boiler for ice can, and also some tea and coffee. Usually I don't use that. And I got one TV right here. It's actually quite slim. Come from Samsung. Oh, good one. Okay, and then let's take a look. The view outside. They got the plastic trash here, but it's okay, small thing. The view outside is nothing very fantastic. The parking lot. But anyway, the room is probably more important. Okay, so this is a living room area. Quite cozy, you can see like 4 people with a working desk right here. Nothing in the desk. That makes sense. Okay, now let's take a look at the main bedroom. The main bedroom here is actually also IHG hotel style.
the king-size bed looks very comfortable with a bed throw on it. Many pillows, especially the yellow one, represent Voco brand identity.
There's a USB charger near the bed. That's quite a good one. Let's see what's inside. There's an eyeball inside with a light and also reading light. And right this side is another TV here. I think it's also Samsung. And nothing inside as well. Okay, that makes sense. This is another small desk with a mirror right here. You got a hair dryer here. Okay, here just share the same view, the parking lot view. Oh, you can open the window if you want. Okay, another small living area with a sofa right here. Should be good. Nothing inside. Okay. Usually in voco hotel you can find a bird. So this is probably the one. Okay, let's take a look. There's a door here. Actually the design is a little bit interesting. But this room is basically combined two rooms all together. Maybe they can also only sell one room if they want to go for a standard. But anyway, this is a combination, so it becomes a suite. This door is actually also openable. Okay, right here, that's the wardrobe. Let's take a look what's inside. So we got an iron board, got iron over there, safe, and also the laundry. This one, I'm not really sure what is this.
If you know, please let me know in the comments.
Okay, check later. Also got slippers. Nothing here. Okay, so let's take a look. The toilet. The toilet is actually quite standard. So they got a tap and sink here. Same brand as a Crown Plaza. Anti-POTUS. Okay, and if I want some amenities, I need to be requested. This is just a shower cap. And right here they got bathtub and also the shower. Also some towel over here. Basically it's quite simple. So shower and also additional one over there. And here are the amenities. Okay, that's it.
I feel it's the same class as Crown Plaza in the IHG group, and probably a bit more energetic since the main color of the hotel is yellow. It's still early, let me walk around and show you the facilities. From the outside, my room is right here, a corner suite. With this kind of mirror, at night I should close the curtain. There's a gym and swimming pool available. Not sure why the staff kept following me, so I couldn't take more footage. It's compact. Here are a couple of photos grabbed online for your reference. It's dinner time and raining outside, so I came to the bar again. Ordered a burger and a glass of Coke. No surprise it's around £30. Alright, I still got work to do. I will get my job done and take some rest. See you in the morning. Good morning, voco reading. I had a very good sleep. This bed is so far the best one I've ever slept in at a hotel. Good job. After a great sleep, let's head to the breakfast buffet on the ground floor. First impression, it's a warm design. Good to start a new day. The menu shows both made-to-order options and food in the buffet. Let me grab a coffee and show you around. It's a typical continental breakfast buffet with full English breakfast ingredients that you may find here. Obviously, the class is higher than Holiday Inn. I can easily feel it. Eventually, these are what I got. Classic with a bit of premium.
Hello! Okay, so let's recap the overall stay experience here. Basically, I stay here just for one night and enjoy the dinner, breakfast and also lunch. The overall experience in voco rating definitely outstanding. Especially I'm lucky enough to be upgraded to the suite room, and the room is massive, quite spacious. Of course, I'm happy to be a loyal member of IHG with such perks. However, comes to the minor points where I don't really feel comfortable was while I'm filming in the bar and there's a person wearing suit, looks like some manager level kind of person, just stop me. Say there's a top secret in this hotel. I'm not allowed to film. I'm not really sure where is the top secret. If you know where is the top secret, please find out in my video. Let me know. Maybe I'm doing so wrong. I just filmed the hotel top secret here. Besides of this, everything was perfect, and the most outstanding part was the bedding. So far, the best among all IHG hotels I've ever stayed. This is really comfortable. Big plus. I'm now about to catch my train. Talking about the train, actually this hotel is not really in the center of the city. Even the nearest train station, the Green Park Reading, by walking it probably will take 20-30 minutes through the park. And I will carry several luggages. It's not really comfortable to walk over there, especially yesterday was raining. So I decided to go by taxi. However, if next time I will travel to the new city, I probably will choose the hotel in the high street. It's much more convenient to buy some stuff, enjoy the restaurants over there. If you are traveling by car, feel free to come to voco Reading. They got plenty of parking spaces here. I hope you find this video interesting. Like and subscribe to receive more updates. See you next time.
Goodbye, voco Reading. A nice stadium hotel for events or shows probably will be a good idea. Now I'm at Reading Green Park Station. Not surprised, it's a small station. Basically nothing here, but luckily it's well maintained. And no surprise in the UK, my train got cancelled. But thanks to the staff who helped me figure out how to reach my next destination. In my next video, I will unbox Crown Plaza, London Heathrow T4, which is clearly an airport hotel connected to London Heathrow Terminal 4. We'll bring you to the club lounge, reveal another corner suite room, and how about the facilities?
Stay tuned. Thanks for watching and I will see you in my next video.